Welcome to Land Cruiser Restorations. This is our latest creation. It's a 1989 FJ62. It's done in a midday blue. Really a gorgeous color with a little pinstripe going down the side of it. Little accent, kind of break things up. As you can see, it's got a deep dish 38 Deegans. Kind of like those, the way they look. The stance is really nice. Really enjoy that. It's got the Grote LED headlights. Really put out a lot of light. We've got our what we call our triple bar front bumper with a Warren 8,000 pound winch. Couple of nice rigid industry spotlights on the bumpers. Same thing on the roof rack. It's got rigid industry LEDs all the way around. Front, rear, both sides. They're all controlled by individual switches on the front of our center console. I'll show you that in just a minute or two. Let me kind of walk around it real quick, give you a sense of what she really looks like. It's got our rear tire carrier and ladder. We make those ourselves. They also have locks on the outside of them. When you swing them out, they'll stay put so they don't swing around and damage the side of your cruiser. The rock sliders, we make them as well. They're really heavy, probably about 45 pounds a piece. So they dub as rock sliders as well as running boards. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of this gorgeous 62. We went completely through this. When it was stripped down to bare bones, we started all over again. Seats, carpet, padding, headliner, windshield, side windows. Everything's taken out when we do the restoration. This is what we call a full restoration. It's not a stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some folks offer that. And what you end up doing is you end up locking yourself into a specific items on a restoration. And we get a lot of requests to customize them to suit them, and that's what we do. Got a brand new headliner in it. Turned out nice. There's the rigid industry rear lights for backup. And if you know anything about rigid industry, you know that they're pretty much top of the line. Custom door panels. Rear seats and front seats are all done in a marine grade vinyl, which kind of feels like leather, but it wears like a tough vinyl. Very good quality. It's got new carpet, padding, sound deadening. I'll show you the separate controls for all of those spotlights. Like I said, they're mounted in the front of the center console, which we make as well. Individually controlled. Center console we designed. We didn't like the other ones that were available in the market. This also has a secret compartment on the rear of it. It's only accessible when you raise the lid on the console. So if you got valuables, hidden valuables, there's a tray right here that you can pull out. You can put some coins, watches, small handgun, whatever you want. It's got a dash overlay, a nice dash overlay made by Palco Industries. Like I said, there's nothing that we didn't do to it that I can think of. Gorgeous color. And how you like the name? John Denver. The reason for that is we had a gentleman, his name was John, lived in Denver. He called and said he'd like to have a cruiser similar to this. So we built it for him, and we kind of never got rid of the name. That's kind of nice. This has got headers. This is a 5.3 Chevy Vortec, a repurposed engine. I think it has probably 40 to 50,000 miles on it. It also has a 6L80E automatic tranny. It's got plenty of power. Probably puts out about 310 horsepower. If you're interested in this cruiser or any other cruiser that we have available, we can do it to suit you. You just call us, give us a wish list. We'll build it for you, custom made, bottom to top. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.